Enjoy an incredibly sunny day in Benidorm town with us today. It's an authentic summer-like day in Benidorm town. Absolutely incredible weather finally returned to our region. There is absolutely no better way than starting this video at our gorgeous and sunny and warm Levante Beach in Benidorm town. Incredible sunshine, blue skies, and just the tiniest bit of clouds that honestly are not bothering us whatsoever because they're far away in the horizon. We are towards the old town, the second half of the Levante Beach. We're located out here and we'll be going on a walk up until the old town. Enjoy the views, what's closed, which places have closed down for refurbishment and some changes, and just enjoy and soak in as much as possible our lovely sun that's back after so many days of strange weather and some cloudy weather and some storms. Now this is the real Benidorm. This is the authentic atmosphere. This is what we're used to in our winter season, and not gonna lie, the whole year long practically. It is Sunday and this is how the Levante Beach looks like. Even though there's not as many people right there by the beach because, well, even though tanning might be an option still, not gonna lie, it's quite sunny, and on midday on the sunshine, we'll probably have a real feel of almost 20 degrees, which is an absolute glory and gift for so many people that are here on holidays, and for also those who live here or are about to start their journey and are relocating to Benidorm as we speak. The beach still has quite a lot of sunbeds out there, but they're not as actively being used. People prefer to have walks by the Levante Beach. They prefer to enjoy it or just grab a towel, lay down, or have a walk by the sand or on the promenade instead of actually getting the sunbeds, which is strange and slightly unusual thing to see. But I guess that in winter, tourism does shift a tiniest bit and people prefer different things from what they prefer in summer season. All the bars, restaurants, cafeterias here by the Levante Beach are usually open. In a lot of places in Benidorm, you will find through winter, some places are closed on holidays. Yesterday, we've shown you a very revealing, I think, video from Benidorm Tapas Alley and an alternative to Benidorm Tapas Alley, which is the Tapas Square. Typical Spanish and way better portions, way better service, quieter and more authentic, and price-wise, absolutely great offers out there. And when we were there, we were able to see that quite a few places, both on the Tapas Alley and on the Tapas Square, were closed. And many closed down because they want to renew something, they want to refurbish the place. And they're closing for holidays as well, for the staff holidays, especially after all the Christmas, New Year's, and Three Kings celebration. Very typical thing to do that many bars and restaurants are actually putting in place in January after everything is over. Tiki Town is opening up right now. It is morning time. It is slightly past 10 in the morning. So it is quite early, and many bars, well, obviously they're not going to be opening up in winter at 10 a.m. Who's going to go to a bar at 10 a.m., right? So in winter at least, even if in summer that's an option, in winter, many places do open up slightly further along, 11 in the morning usually. And even so, the vast majority of people are enjoying some sunshine. They're not going to bars right now. People are getting some nice chocolate and churros or coffee with churros. They're getting typical toasts or breakfast options in nearby cafeterias that have been open since 8:30 a.m., some of those, or are heading towards the market. Today is also the market day. Our Sundays and Wednesdays market is always in the same place. It's located at the end of the Avenue Philippines, right by the Hotel Pueblo Benidorm. So definitely a Very good option if you want to check out typical Spanish goodies and fruit and vegetables and foods. This is also a great option for you guys. And we've also seen some police cars already. That's also good to know. Honestly, lately we were seeing very, very good work from Benidorm's local police and national police. In general, we were very surprised with how good they actually perform their work, and it's getting better and better each time, not gonna lie. So the city feels safer, and all the locals and tourists also feel themselves safer in our area. Definitely a plus for our touristic city. Many people just came here to the beach to enjoy some sunshine, just sit down, have a chat. What is there, that boat? Oh, it's going quite fast. Is it like a surveillance thing? What is it? Is it a police boat? Might be. It doesn't look like it's a regular boat. It goes really, really fast and it's checking all the area. Maybe it's like a surveillance boat. We have those too, by the way, in Benidorm. If you didn't know, there's plenty of things here. There's drones, there's cameras, there's police, there's bicycle, like not bicycle, the motorcycle police, there's car police, there's walking police, there's a secret one, like the one that doesn't use the uniform, there's cameras, there's checkups everywhere, there's drones, there's boats, which is why our city feels so safe when we go about and around. Absolutely incredible. And that's why a lot of people are coming here, not only for holidays, but also for relocation. People feel safe. And together with the quality of life and everything that Benidorm has to offer, it's not surprising that it's one of the top places that people decide to choose for their relocation purposes. Oh, just sitting down on the sunny terrace like this with a sip of coffee, tea, or some freshly pressed orange juice. What can be better? Even hotels, all the local hotels here nearby like Barceló, Inside, and many others here are still open and not going to be closing anytime soon. Full English breakfast XXL, $8.60. Ooh, that's interesting. Happy hours for drinks, a pint. Is it pint or pint? Probably, right? €3. Just depends. Not sure which size it actually is. Let us know if it's a big, as it's a small one, what it is. But this might be a good option. Daily menu, one course menu, $21.50. Or is it like two? No, it's entree, one course, and a dessert. $21.50. Oh my world. Oh, they're putting green flag right now on the beach. This is lovely. What are all these steps? This looks like a ton of people was just walking by. This is interesting. But it looks quiet. It looks nice, peaceful here in Benidorm. The sun's shining so much. Actually, it feels quite a lot, especially if you're wearing some darker clothes. And the most beautiful part of Benidorm on a day like this is the old town. Oh, this is a must-visit place. From here, we get a full scene of what Benidorm is looking like and why so many people love it and the gorgeous views that it's hiding from many people. Let's head through the old tunnel towards the castle viewpoint. There are some bars here that are open already. And the best part, obviously, and for which people are coming here, are the views of all entire Benidorm. From the right side, we see the Poniente Beach, 2.2 kilometers, sandy, golden sand, incredible beach with no stones in the water, which is better than the Levante one. And the water is crystal clear, it's not deep at all, and it's great for family tourism and for families with kids. Incredible views from here for all Benidorm skyscrapers. Look at that. This is our favorite spot, by the way, to go to the beach in summer with our own family. A very busy promenade we can see from here, really busy promenade, and the port out there waiting for excursions, boat excursions to begin. By the way, the three kings are still here. They will be taken down this probably, I should have said this weekend, but It's weekend now and they're still here. Maybe next week. I feel like that for putting them on here, they did make it quite fast. But for taking it down, well, it's not as urgent, right? People can still enjoy it. Some lovely seagulls, the constant residents of Benidorm's Old Town are here, and they're not afraid of people even. Just look at that. They're not afraid of people. They are enjoying some sunshine here at the viewpoint, and they're not afraid. Look at that. Beautiful birds. Hello, you. Look at that. Incredible. They're always here. They live on Benidorm's Island, by the way, a lot of them. And many are coming here to the Old Town because they know there's a lot of food. There's snacks from people, from the nearby cafeterias. That's where they get the food from. Lovely small beach of Malpas is slowly but surely getting some sunshine. It will be sunny by midday here, but in the morning it's covered by the shade from the castle viewpoint, which is where we are at right now. Absolutely stunning place. We adore it. It's one of the most beautiful places in Benidorm, and it's really recommended to visit. In front, we have Benidorm's Island. We have some musicians here, local musicians that are always here by the viewpoint, just putting on some special atmosphere for all those who are here. A smaller viewpoint that goes directly into the sea, located slightly below. It's lower, so the views are not the same, but it goes deeper into the sea, so you still are able to enjoy it. Oh, it's a perfect day. It's an absolutely perfect day in Benidorm. What can be better than that? The sun's heating up really, really fast. Honestly, it's quite hot outside now on the sunshine. And boy, a lot of tourists will be discovering and enjoying Benidorm today. And the lovely seagulls received some sunshine too now, sitting on the stones, which, by the way, are warm because of the sun. Very, very nice views. The Benidorm's cross is right there at the top. All the skyline of Levante Beach. Oh, it's all so near. You could easily do whole entire Benidorm walking in one single day. We absolutely love this place, and sometimes we even forget where we live and how beautiful this place actually is. Perfect warm day in Benidorm town. Maximum 20 degrees feel on the sunshine back again. And this is supposed to be the coldest time of the year. Wow, Benidorm is definitely full of surprises, and weather surprised us back again. Slightly quieter, but gorgeous Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us on this sunny walk, and we'll see you in a brand new video tomorrow.